Bonjour. In the last video, we have started with the alphabets. Today, we are starting from Leçon. Leçon means the accents. So, here are five accents we are going to see today. The first accent is accent aigu. Max. So, acute means small. So, aigu here it resembles the same. It uh, actually reduces the sound of that E here. For example, looking at this word bebe. So I'm like cut shorting the sound here. Bebe, bebe, fe, fe, fe. So now the next axon is axon grave. Grave. Remember grand. Grand means big. So here this actually in say the sounds louder. This is graph, grant, big. This is used on three alphabets, which is A, E, and U. Okay. Now look at this word, sorcier, 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 mare, mare. You know the other words like père, frère. So in this, the sound of E is pronounced in a grand manner. Okay, mare, sorcière, père, frère. Now looking at the third axiom is axiom circumflex. Axiom circumflex. It is like looking like an inverted V. Okay, you remember the what? A house. So the house will protect. Same way, circumflex will protect the sound of the alphabets. Teth, teth, boîte, boîte, hotel, hotel. So the sounds are like protected over there. It does not allow the sound to move out. Next, aso is cedile. Cedile is used only in C. So the sound of C is actually K. To change the sound of K into S, the cedile is used. So without cedile, if we read this, we will read it as garcon. So when the cedile is there, we will read it as garçon. To make the sound soft, we use cedile. Garçon, français, ça va. Next is trema. Here we keep these two dots on top of these three vowels. This indicates that the vowels are followed by another vowel. So here with this trema, we'll pronounce the sound Noel, heroine, Noel, heroine. So accents are nothing but a small, small signs placed on top of the alphabets. Now looking at this conversation, écoutez et lisez. Écoutez, listen, and lisez, read. Bonjour tout le monde. Bonjour tout le monde. When we read it separately, the pronunciation is different. When we read it together, the pronunciation is different. Bonjour tout le monde. Bonjour tout le monde. Bonjour monsieur. Bonjour monsieur. Je suis professeur de français. Je suis professeur de français. Je m'appelle François Lazour. Je m'appelle François Lazour. Excusez-moi, monsieur. Excusez-moi, monsieur. François, comment? François, comment? Lazour. 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 So this dialogue is nothing but it is between a professor and a student. Okay. The professor, after entering the class, he is saying Bonjour tout le monde. Good morning, all of you. Bonjour, monsieur. Good morning, sir. Je suis professeur de français. Je m'appelle François Lazour. I am the French professor. My name is François Lazour. Excusez-moi, monsieur. François, comment? Excuse me, sir. François, how do you say it? Lazour. Lazure. 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 So he's spelling his name. Okay. Now the second dialogue. Écoutez, puis répétez. Écoutez, puis répétez. Listen, then repeat. Listen, then repeat. Okay. It is like listen, then repeat. First dialogue. Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? What is your name? Pedro Garcia. Pedro Garcia. Appelez s'il vous plaît. Appelez s'il vous plaît. Appelez means spell it please. Spell s'il vous plaît means please. Pedro. P-A-D-R-O. Pedro. Garcia. Garcia. So they are asking what is your name and she's saying the name. So they are asking you to spell it and she's spelling the name. Tu t'appelles comment? François Pignon. Ça s'écrit comment? Tu t'appelles comment? What is your name? It is an informal conversation. So he is saying the name. Ça s'écrit comment means how to write this. Frank F-R-A-N-C Sidail. For say they are writing Sidail. O-E-S. François P-E-G-N-O-N. Pegnon. So the third dialogue is vous appelez comment? What is your name? Bertrand Laurent. Bertrand Laurent. Appelez s'il vous plaît. Appelez s'il vous plaît. Spell it please. Bertrand. Bertrand. Laurent. So he is spelling his name.